In this video, I am going to try something a little different. I'm going to allow you to vote as the viewer on which particular stairway you would like to see built. Now, these homes are built in the 1920s, or the plans are from the 1920s. And I'm going to use the 1920 construction methods to assemble the stairway. Now, this is actually a contest that I'm having on another one of my channels, my Greg Van Com channel, and I'll put a link here for you. If you can't find the link, I will have a link in the video description box to the other channel, and you can go over there and sign up. If you're not a subscriber to my Greg Van Com channel, then you can at least go over there and sign up if that's what you want. That's more of a home building repairs type of channel. Has a few stair videos on it, but it's mainly based on home construction, remodeling, and repairs. Not a lot of stairs. I put all my stair video stuff on here. So again, the rules are simple. You know, you vote, select the house. I'll look at the stairway, and then I will design that stairway according to the 1920s. So I do want to point out one thing. You know, if I don't get at least 50 people to comment on the, or at least vote on it, then I'll probably end up selecting the house for the stairs to be built for that particular design. And we will go from there. So I'm just kind of throwing this out there. If you're interested in it, you're interested in how stairs are built in the 1920s, then I can provide you with that. I know a lot of people live in older homes, and they look at their stairs and they have no idea how they were built. So if you have a particular stairway that was built, or a home that looks like this, you know, then, and of course it built, let's just say between 1910 and 1930, the construction methods were probably similar, and you want to learn more about your stairway, then vote on that particular design and let us know that you'd like a little more information on that. So not too difficult, not asking for a lot here. If you're not interested in how stairs are built a long time ago, don't bother voting. If you are, and these are videos that you might be interested in or would like to see more of, then let us know by simply logging on to YouTube and voting for what type of stairway you would like to see built. And then, of course, I will tally up the score after 3 days and post the winner at the top of our the video description area, and get started on the video as soon as possible.